How to create a Metamask wallet. So if you want to create a Metamask wallet, then what you need to do is first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. So I'll be here with Chrome browser. And now you need to simply go and search for extensions. Simply search for extensions. Once you've searched, here you will have Chrome Web Store. Click on the Chrome Web Store and it will take you to the web store where you need to search for Metamask. Once you've searched, here you will have the Metamask. You need to simply go for add to Chrome, which will be right here. Once you've added to the Chrome, you can go for the extensions and you can simply open up that Metamask. And once you've opened the Metamask, you need to go for connect Metamask, which is on the upper right. And once you're here, you need to simply go for I agree to Metamask terms of use and then go for create a new wallet. And scroll down and then tap on I agree, and from here you can create a password. So the first step is you need to create a password. So make sure to create a strong password with at least 8 characters in minimum, and enter your password and then again confirm your password and go for I understand and then go for create a new wallet. And if you want to secure your wallet, you can simply go for secure or just go for remind me later and click on this box. Click on skip and your wallet has been successfully created. So click on got it and then click on next and done. And if you want to enable the enhanced transition protection, go for enable and that's it. Your account has been created. So that's how you can create your MetaMask account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.